And it actually adds another extra security level to your scooter. So this is this lock alarm. You can get it cheap on the internet. I ordered mine from China, from AliExpress. So you can try for yourself. All right, it's locked. So let's say we are trying to steal this scooter by trying to give you a warning. All right, try to like, and it gets louder and louder. So that actually works. This adds an extra security level to your scooter, and a lot of thieves would probably panic when they hear this sound. So yeah, it's definitely worth the try and the buy, and see for yourself.